In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in Google Chrome. If your browser looks a little too dim, or you simply prefer a brighter interface, this quick walkthrough will show you the simplest way to switch Chrome back to a light appearance without digging through complicated menus. First, start by opening a new tab in Chrome. You can do this by clicking the plus icon next to your current tabs. A new tab is important here because the customization options we need only appear on Chrome's Start page. Now look to the bottom right corner of the New Tab page for the Customize Chrome button. Depending on your screen size or Chrome version, you might see it spelled out as Customize Chrome, or you might just see a small pencil or palette icon. It's in the same spot and works the same way. Click it to open the customization panel. In the panel that slides open, find the section labeled Appearance. This is where you choose how Chrome's interface should look. You'll see options for light and device. To turn off dark mode immediately, select Light. This forces Chrome's interface to use a bright, clean look, regardless of your computer's system theme. If you prefer Chrome to follow your operating system setting, choose Device. With Device selected, Chrome will switch between light and dark automatically based on whether your computer is set to light mode or dark mode. As soon as you pick light, you'll notice the change right away. Your tabs, toolbar, and the New Tab page will switch to a lighter color scheme, making text and icons appear with more contrast in bright environments. This doesn't change your operating system, and it doesn't force websites themselves to change their own theme. Some sites offer their own dark or light modes, so those may still appear dark if you've configured them that way inside the site. That's normal and separate from Chrome's appearance setting. If you don't see the Customize Chrome button, make sure you're truly on a New Tab page and that the window isn't too small to display the button clearly. Resizing the window a bit can help reveal it. Also, be sure you're using an up-to-date version of Chrome so the appearance options look and behave as shown here. That's all there is to it. Open a new tab, click Customize Chrome, and choose Light or Device under Appearance. You've just turned off dark mode in Google Chrome with a few quick clicks.